Hi everyone, welcome back to the last session of task capture. Today we will see how you can create a process flow diagram manually. So open a task capture. Once you open a task capture, you can see the two options. As I said in the first session, the create diagram capture process, we already completed the capture process. Now we'll see how you can create a diagram manually. So click on the create diagram. You can see the editor where you can create a process flow diagram. So I'm going to create the same process flow diagram for the loan application, e-claim application. So my first step is log into eClaim application. Now here I want to capture the screens or the activities. So I will click on the capture action now. So first you have to open the eClaim, enter username as admin, enter password, click on login. I will stop here. So if you see for this sequence, it has captured all the activities or all the actions performed on the screen. So let's clean up the unwanted screens. I don't think this is required, so I'll delete this. Now this is the login screen and user entering the username. So make it proper. Remove this. Remove this. Highlight the password box. And click on login. So here also you have to enter all the action titles and action description as I explained in my previous session. So I'm not going to repeat this thing again. Go back to design. Now I will add the second step. Claim entry. So capture screens. I will enter 00 number as a claim number. Customer ID C0001. Name ABC Corporation. Country India. I will enter 01082020 as a claim date. Claim amount is 1,50,000. Sanction amount 1,35,000. Status is approved. I submitted claim form ID proof, address proof. I'll put a remark approved as per policy. Okay, I will click on add. I will stop recording. Go to the task capture. Now go just review the screenshots and remove unwanted screens. Remove this. Remove this. We'll keep this. So this way you have to just remove all the screens and correct the box, the position of the box. So at least user will come to know in which field he has to enter the value. Let's do it quickly. I don't want this. This is for sanction amount. This is for status. Claim form, ID proof. Remarks. And click on add button. Okay, let's go back to the workflow. And this way you can create a workflow manually using task capture. And again, once you create a workflow, you can export to the Word document and create the PDD, or you can directly export into the Java Studio to create a XAML file and the project in the Java path. So this we have already covered in the previous session. So I'm not going to repeat it again. You can refer the previous session slides or the session video. So that's all on the Java task capture. Hope you like it. For any suggestions or queries, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further updates. See you soon in the next tutorial. Thank you.